Hi, my name is Ivy, and it's a sunny day today here in Austin, and it's a weekend as well. So, for today, I attended a perfumer's workshop here in Austin, and I'm going to show you what we did. It's really fun. So, come check it out, and I'll walk you through what we did to make my first ever perfume. Have a nice day. So, the class was located in South Austin. And this is his studio. He also had some mimosa, champagne, and sparkling apple juice. And and for this class, there were 5 students for the afternoon. So we're just all getting in, registering for a class. We had to wear a black apron. And these are the scents available for the class. Of course, there are more scents out there, but these are the scents that were available to the students. And this is the checklist or the form for each student, the vial. And then I don't know if you can see some of the names, but I was really drawn to Coastal. That's Vanilla Noir. I was really drawn to a musk and Vevitor for some reason. And this is a small scale provided to the students with a beaker and scent strips because you're going to start mixing your scents. And there's dark tonka, which is very recognizable. I wasn't able to try amber. I don't think so. I don't remember. So after smelling the scents, I decided these are the checklists. No, these are the lists of the different scents, top notes, middle notes, and base notes. I ended up with, I believe my top notes were oceanic and coastal because I was going for a beachy scent. So I was going for beachy scent today. So my choices were for top notes, oceanic and coastal. My middle notes were lychee, white tea, and my base notes were musk and vevitor. And I must tell you, 1 drop of lychee is very potent. That's why I didn't want to add any more drops with my second and third try. Perfumery, as you know, is a 1 billion-dollar business, but in its core is the creativity. It is an art form. So when I was driving over to this class, I was kind of wondering what's my inspiration for this perfume, and I was thinking about the Battle of Leyte Gulf. I know I'm a history nerd, so I wanted to do a male fragrance that was aquatic. That's why my top notes were oceanic and coastal. I didn't expect lychee to be my middle note, but I wanted something a bit more fruity and tropical, so I picked lychee. And because it's a men's fragrance, I chose musk and vevitor. I ended up with white tea as other, my second middle note because I didn't want a citrus note and I did not want a floral note. Oh, which is funny because lychee is a fruit. I'm not even sure if that's a citrus, but I just wanted a tropical aquatic men's fragrance inspired from the Battle of Leyte Gulf. And then after you've selected your notes, so he did recommend just a minimum of 6 notes. Anything more makes it more complicated. He will give you the drops, the drops, and that's when you start counting how many drops are you going to start with your first test. By the time you do your second and third round of testing for your perfume, each test is a total of 10 drops. So that's the fun part. I really enjoyed today's class, and I'm going to show you my finished product in 1 second. So this is my finished product. I brought it home. The perfume glass is free. It comes with the class. It is an aquatic scent. The light. So when I was making this, I was so worried that the lychee would overpower that. In my final round of testing, I put so much musk and vevitor and coastal and white tea, which is okay because then the lychee was like neutralized, but you can definitely smell the musk and the coastal. I don't know. It's fun. It's fun, right? You're being creative. So that's it for today. That was my first original perfume, guys. I hope you enjoyed today's episode. And go ahead and smash that like button and subscribe button if you enjoyed today's episode. Have a nice day and have a nice weekend.